Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and Happy New Year! First video of the year, so let's get started. So welcome back to the channel. If you're returning, if you're new here, then welcome. First video of 2023, so I just wanted to say Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you for all the support that you've given over the past year, and let you know what's going on. So this year, one of the things, I wrote down a few notes. One of the things that I would like to try to do is to sort of better arrange or rearrange my sewing room. I'm not sure exactly how or what, if it's even really possible at this point. A lot of you know I sew in my basement. So, and that space is kind of shared, so there's certain things that are here that aren't going anywhere. But if I can at least maybe arrange things a little better or reorganize some things that I have, that might work well for me. Otherwise, I have started my first project of the year. And for me, I always like to start something easy in January. A lot of times it'll be something like a t-shirt or a workout top, something like that. This time I am making these, the Lexington pant. It's a PJ pant pattern, well, loungewear, I should say. This is what the pattern includes. I've made the shirt dress here. I've made the short set, PJ set, and I'm making the pants from this pattern, but not the shirt. So these are the pants, the PJ pants that I'm making. And this is a woven fabric, and it's donuts, because, you know, these are only donuts I can have now. So I'm putting them on the pants. And I've had this fabric for probably 3 years or so. I actually did buy it with the intent of making a PJ set. So I've got this for the pants, and this is a knit fabric. It's sort of a lightweight knit. Not sure exactly. I bought both of these at Joann Fabrics, like I said, maybe a few years ago, and I did buy them together. This is going to be for the top. This is a knit fabric. Everything is already pre-washed and ready, but I've not cut that out just yet. So this one was the original plan. It's Simplicity 9455. This is a knit, a pattern for knits. It's like family PJs. You get like a knit top. You make, I guess they call them leggings for the pants. So this is what my original idea was for the top. But I did make this pattern, and I made view B here. This is the one I made for my sweatsuit recently. That was my last project of 2022. And there's buttons on the side, but I know after having made it, I don't necessarily need to put all of the buttons in, so I may just close it up and put maybe snaps on each side, like sew on snaps on the sides, and just have it more of a plain top. So that was the other idea that I thought of like yesterday. So like I said, that will be with this fabric. I'm not sure which pattern, or if I think of something else in the meantime. But as far as some goals for this year, I guess the main thing is to try not to buy more fabric, because I really don't need any. I have a lot of fabric here, and I actually have some really nice stuff that I've found recently. So the goal would be to use up this fabric, to shop my fabric first. So I've got fabric stash projects, basically, is what I want to do. And also, because I also have several patterns, like hundreds, a couple hundred at least, never counted, but who's counting anyway, right? So I want to use the patterns that I have, because I also have some very nice patterns, and most of the patterns that I buy are fairly classic in style, so they don't really go out of style that much. So I want to try to use up those patterns. And so that would be, those are the two big goals, I guess, for me for the year. Also, I wanted to let you all know that if there is something specific or something in particular that you would like to see, as far as videos, things like that, leave it down below in the comments, and I can see if I can work in something or figure something out. We can learn something together. If it's something that I have not done that you all suggest, let me know, because that could be something that's kind of fun. And you know, I like to share things with you all, so if you share with me what it is that you might want me to give, what you might want me to try, then that could be something that I could do. So please leave that down below. What I'd like to do is to get back into more lingerie type sewing. I used to do quite a bit of that. It's one of those things that I will do in groups or in bunches, because it's got a lot of little parts and things, and I have a separate cabinet or set of drawers that I keep all of the bra making and all that kind of stuff in. So once I get all that stuff out, it's just easier to do more than one thing at a time. So that is one thing that I would also like to do for this year. So we'll see how that goes as well. But that is basically it, I think, for this video. Let me know, like I said, if you have any questions or comments about anything, we'll leave it down below. If you've not subscribed already, I would appreciate it if you would do so and hit the notification bell. That way you will get notified the next time I upload a new video, which I'm going to try to be a little bit more consistent with that as well. But like I said, please subscribe if you've not done so already. Hit the notification bell, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.